Welcome back. It's Sev again from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Help you save money. Today we're going to be building part 2 series of building your shed. So we're going to do that today. This is part 2 of that. You can see in the background I pretty much cleared out the land. That's cleared out. I'll show you how I squared everything off. But you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like, comment below how you like this channel. It's a finance channel. Helps you save money through real estate, fixing cars. Today we're building a shed. You're interested in wholesaling, where you find distressed properties using Propstream platform. You can help somebody out and make a fee out of it. So use my affiliate link below. Any of the products you see on Amazon is my affiliate link, so that helps support the channel. All right, let's get down to it. So what we got here is the first part. We watched the first part. I cleared out the land, so I cut all the trees down. It's a 12 by 16 shed, 12 feet across by 16 that way. I mean, I could have flipped the shed this way, but I prefer to go this way because the door that goes to the lawnmower will be right about here. So that's the reason I went that way. So I cleared out the land on the last video. This video, I'm gonna show how I squared everything off. So, a little bumpy ride here, guys. So I put stakes in the ground, measure out across from there to there. We'll make it 12 that way, the width of it. And then I measured 16 that way, going down there. So as soon as I did that, put the stakes down and I put strings. These strings are just temporary. They're not plumbed or anything like that as leveled, because we're on an uneven surface. You can see kind of my house kind of slopes that way. That's where we're gonna have to, pour concrete, do some silos, concrete. I'm gonna put silo concretes. I couldn't find the 6-inch ones, only the 8-inch. So we use 8-inch silos. I know it's a lot, but I'm gonna put some heavy equipment in there. My lawnmower, my snow thrower, because I live in the Northeast. So what I did was, like I said, I squared those off, put the stringers in so I can see what I'm doing, and then I'll show you I'll drop in the diagram that I drew for this, the plan for this. So I'm going to put in total 9 pillars or silos. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 down, 3 across. 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12. I apologize, 12. 12 silos. So we'll put that in. So I squared those off and then I everything marked with the orange fluorescent spray paint. And then I'm about to use the auger. And I thought about renting the auger, but I figured the price you rent for an auger, it's about $175 for the weekend. You put a little more money that you can buy to purchase the whole thing. I bought this, I think, from Home Depot. It might be from Amazon. I'll check again. Anyway, I'll put the link below for this. But it's good auger. It's 8-inch auger, perfect just for the silo that I'm going to use. And then I'll show you how I'm doing that. We're going to punch some holes into the ground. All right, hang tight. Double checking. Going to my diagram. I have 3, 6, 9, 12. Yeah, so total 12 silos. I'll put this up in the link. I'll scan this in. I kind of mapped everything out before I started this whole shed expedition. Here's my little drawing of the shed. Put a little happy face there somewhere. Again, I always start everything with safety. The helmet, earmuffs. I'm using the chops from my chainsaw, so the top brake is more short than chops, so protect my legs if it goes wrong. I'll probably according to I checked with my town, and according to them, the shed has to be under 200 square feet. That way you don't get taxed. And it has to be 10 feet away from the house. I'm more than 10 feet away from the house. I'm actually in the woods to the side of my house. So the reason I chose this spot rather than the back of my house is convenience, because the lawnmower and snow thrower and everything else. And I also have a plow in my truck. So it's more convenient to put it near the driveway rather than put it in the back of the house. I mean, it's more aesthetically pleasing, but hey, I'd rather have everything close by than try and have everything shoved in the back of the house. So check with your local localities where you live, whatever the law requires as far as putting a shed up, square feet wise, and this can be on silos or pillars, because it's not a permanent structure, so you can avoid that whole thing, and you don't need a license to do the construction. All right, let's get to it. Let's talk more working. So you guys get the idea. I did 8 of them. No, 6 of them. Gotta do 6 more. But the auger helps. There is no rule as far as being in the Northeast how much we need to go down. Some people say 18 inches, 1.5 feet. Some people say 2 feet. There's a lot of, to be honest, there's a lot of roots here. Probably having a tough time with the auger. I mean, I'm just going to go down as much as I can. I'm more concerned about down here than rather up there. Up there can be short. Doesn't have to be that deep. So, hope you like the channel. I'll see you in the next series.